Nasa gobyerno pa rin daw ang desisyon kung dapat na bang isuko si Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa sa ICC. Paliwanag ni retired Supreme Court Associate Justice Adolfo Ascuna, may option pa rin para litisin ang senador dito sa Pilipinas. Pugante na ba si Senador Bato de la Rosa? Hindi pa, ayon sa isa sa framers ng 1987 Constitution.
Because the question of the effect of the warrant, international warrant, is not yet definitely settled and is under question.
Sa On Point ng Billionario News Channel, sinabi ni retired Supreme Court Associate Justice Adolfo Ascuna na may merit sa argumentong dapat sa Pilipinas muna litisin si De La Rosa. Base raw kasi mismo sa Rome Statute, maaari lang mangialam ang ICC kung ang home state ay unwilling or unable to genuinely investigate o mag-prosecute.
That is the first choice under the Statute of Rome.
Who decides when a government can actually genuinely prosecute?
Yes, but there is a time frame also. If it has taken 20 years and nothing has been done, then your credibility, remember, it has genuinely prosecute.
Iginiit din ni Ascuna ang Republic Act 9851 kung saan may o maaari lang isuko o i-extradite ang mga accused.
In my view, it's a choice on the part of the executive.
Naging choice anya ng gobyerno na isuko si FPRRD sa ICC. Pero para kay Ascuna, dapat dinala muna sa local court ang dating Pangulo batay sa Article 59 ng Rome Statute.
The way that will work is that you execute the ICC warrant, you arrest him, bring him first to the local court, who will determine whether or not he is the same person named in the warrant, whether he understands what the warrant says.
Yeah.
If it says yes, then he can be sent to The Hague.
Pero ginawa nito ng remedyo ng ICC.
The first hearing they did was to cure that one by identifying whether or not you are the same person. And he said, yes. Did you understand? Yes.
Kasunod ng petisyon ng kampo ni Senador De La Rosa, umaasa si former Justice Ascuna na mareresolba na ng Korte Suprema ang issue tungkol sa mga arrest warrant mula sa ICC. Mag-follow sa aming mga social media accounts at mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel para sa pinakahuli at eksklusibong mga balita.